guys, I'm Elaine Laila Biblia Kaflor, a tourism management student of Northeastern University. But first, let me tell you a brief background about FEU.
Oh.
FEU is one of the most prestigious university here in the Philippines. It is also recognized as the University Choice of Asia.
Oh.
FEU is located at Nicanor Reyes Street, Sampaloc, Manila, founded by Nicanor Reyes in 1928.
Oh.
Why did I choose FEU? I chose FEU as my second home, not because of its name, but because of the quality of education that I can get here in FEU.
Oh.
And now, I will interview some of the FEU students on why did they choose FEU as their second home. Come on, guys.
Maliit ko, tapos dito yung background. Yung shot niya, kala mo international.
Sige. Para sa men.
What's your first and why did you choose it?
BS Olsay Ayas. Why did I choose Olsay? Because I believe in the standards of the university that it could help me to be a better or a very competitive student after I graduate. So it will bring me a better future, I guess, if I study here.
Thank you so much for your
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Santo, ano meron?
For my project. What's your By the way, I like. I'm Arya. What's your first?
Sumpa? Course. Kala ko sumpa. Okay. Uy, tinatanong ka, ano daw course mo?
Tourism po. Tourism. Why did you choose tourism here in FEU? Ano Tagalog? Sure.
Tingin ko kasi maganda yung pool.
Ano, kasi kasama kayo mga friends ko. Your friends. Ikaw naman kuya, ano yung first course? What's your course?
Arky.
Arky. Why did you choose Arky here in FEU?
Wala, kasi nandito sila eh. Hindi, actually, feeling ko mas maganda yung academics dito, parang yung mga nagtuturo, mga academic, tapos
May
parang,
standard yun.
kasi syempre, pag sinabi mo FEU, hindi naman basta school lang. Yun. Tsaka, yun na. Tsaka, ano, mga estudyante na gaya mo.
Thank you po yan, ate. Thank you very much. Established 2010, offering 2 courses which are tourism management and the hotel and restaurant management.
I like to get moving and doing things that are exciting. Planning events, trying out cuisines, going to places, discovering cultures, mixing cocktails, fixing little details, and making things happen. I like to get busy with things that fascinate me. And I'm glad to do this every day at school, in different regions, even in different countries. Here, I learn by doing and by experiencing things firsthand, moving towards a career where I will earn and continuously learn. I do everything with a smile and with a lot of confidence, because my school has prepared me to do things excellently. Oh wait, have a flight to catch!
Excellence and uprightness, FEU is the university for you.